What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learning. In today's episode, I will teach you how to promote your account on Instagram. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first, open your Instagram and go to your profile, and you will need to switch your profile into a professional account. Just go to settings right here and click switch professional account, and just need to continue this one, doesn't matter, and you will need to choose what best describe you, if you are an artist, music band, whatever it suits you, and just click next. After done, are you a creator, just click OK, you're a creator, and you can skip all of this and you can do this later. Just X this one, and right here in my profile I can now choose a post that I want to promote. Just click here, boost post, and after you did that, we need to select a goal. You do you want more profile visit, more and more message, and whatever suits you, just pick whatever you want and select target audience. You can make it automatic, and budget and description, what is your budget, and if you want to lower it, just lower it and click next. And this is your review or your summary of your promotion. As you can see in my promotion, I have a target audience of 18,000 to 37,000 people. And after that, you just need to add your payment account, your credit card, bank details, and that's it. After you add that, you can now see your cost summary here, and your total, and now you can boost your account. You can add ads on your account and boost your posts and your account, of course. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.